起前一兩日，一位來自美國名叫 V 的網紅到訪香港。他到訪香港時候，亦去了廟街、鵝頸橋、海洋公園等不同地方參觀。正正因為佢本身出名同會四處巡遊不同地方，加上期間關於佢 eShowSpeed YouTube Channel 直播關係，自然會吸納大批人追捧。但追捧時不少大眾反應過度活躍，因此令佢怕。先唔講其他場面，淨係講關於佢乘坐地鐵上環至天后站的一程車程，都已經感覺到大眾追捧的強烈墟冚程度。嗰種墟冚就連站內設施也抵擋不住。天后站其中一個閘機因為人潮的衝擊而出現其中一塊欄板損壞，呢件事也上了唔同新聞平台。此外，乘坐地鐵過程中亦出現其他不同混亂情況。首先是天后站混亂情況。首先佢在混亂時不斷講 to crowd，即擠逼意思。
Like, what the fuck, bro? Y'all going on a reverse one? Bro, they need to chill out, bro. They going on a reverse one, bro. Long Z. Long Z. Let's go. Out of the way. Long Z.
在上扶手電梯的時候，疑似佢看到後面的人群而講咗類似屈啊，更有不少人於下行扶手電梯反向行走。佢仲不斷大叫冷靜的英文。在出閘時有不少人跳閘逃票，例如影片中橙色衫的男子。
Bro, it's about to be too much people on here. Wait, this is not a good idea. It's about to be too much people on here. Is it a weight limit on this shit? Yo, is there a weight limit? Bro, is there a weight limit? Yo, it's about to be too much people on this. Yo, look at what people is on this, bro. Wait. Yo. I don't like this, bro. This is no, I don't like this. Long Z. Chill out, bro. We on the train.
在月台大量人潮於打開車門後一湧入車廂，佢疑似覺得那麼擠逼迫，又不斷大叫大眾冷靜，跟住佢講咗 to crowd, we are on the train。
Look at what people is waiting at a stop. No, I ain't right. This is not smart. This is not smart. I don't want it to get overcrowded, bro. Yo, have a security guard at that. I don't want it to get overcrowded. I ain't gonna lie. It's lagging?
就咁睇同埋佢不斷咁講，場面已經比上次送別假白頭墟冚得多。最後在金鐘站的情況也不上百眾。 當在有目標人物列車到達時，人們一舉高手機側向月台幕門，不停叫囂，同之前各列車首航及線路開通情況相似。當列車車門打開後，後面的人潮把該拍攝者推進車廂中，從車廂視角望出去，也看到車門外面就是滿滿人場。總結來說，雖然 Speed 訪港之旅能受大眾追捧，但在單單一程佢乘搭地鐵車程中，似乎可以睇到係大眾嘅反應過度活躍咗喎。